How to fix TikTok upload video failed. So if you uploaded something on TikTok and if it says that it failed, or if you're facing a problem with that upload, then first of all you can simply open up your TikTok application, and then after opening, now you can simply go to your profile, which is on the bottom right, and then go for the upper right corner, which has that three bar icon, and go for settings and privacy, and then scroll down, and here you can go for free up space, and then go for clear under the cache and clear. And after clearing, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can simply open up your settings and then go for apps and notifications, and go for see all apps and open up your TikTok. And after opening, go for storage and cache, and then go for clear cache. And after doing that, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can simply remove that, and then you can open up your Play Store and tap on the search bar and search for TikTok. And after searching, if you have an update option instead of this open option, then you need to update the application, because sometimes if your app is not updated, then you may find this kind of problems. So update your application if you have an update, and after updating, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can simply uninstall the application, and then you can again install it from your Google Play Store or your App Store. And after that, you can log into your account, and then you can try to upload something. And if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the main thing you need to check is your internet connection. So if you don't have a stable internet connection, then that might be a problem. So check that. And that's it. These were the few fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.